Ikerekaria kiriria First Lady Mazingira Award litafanitio thukuru-ini wa imwana wa Renana anyitite migurani uhoro-ini wigie maria maturigiceirie makinyitanira mambura-ini ma mwaka uyu ndumiriri nene ya mwaka uyu iri kuhukia wanangi wa maria maturigiceirie.
It is a great honor and privilege to stand before you today as we launch the 2025 edition of the First Lady Mazingira Awards.
Mufango uyu urehaga arutwo hamwe aria macokaga gutugwo na ngereno itiganite ni undu wa kuonania uthunduri na ugi wao hari guthingicira maria maturigiceirie.
Launched in 2023 on the sidelines of the Africa Climate Summit by Her Excellency Mama Rachel Ruto, this award has already begun to shape a generation that understands the urgency of climate action and the value of environmental responsibility.
Mwandiki ruhonge-ini rwa githomo kia muthingi Florence Amoit augite gukuruhania arutwo mubango-ini uyu ni kuramahe kamweke ka mwanya hari kumatua itugi cia bata umenyereri-ini wa maria maturigiceirie.
Our biggest pillar in terms of supporting the delivery of the 15 billion trees by 2032. Our main pillar is our learning institutions.
Maugite mubango uyu ni utwikite kiguni kinene bururi-ini wothe arutwo magituika itugi cia bata hari kumenyerera maria maturigiceirie na kung'ethanira na ucenjia wa riera.
And I believe we encourage the schools where the trees are being planted to continue nurturing the trees, because it is not only the planting, it is the taking care of the trees. What we encourage is more action also from our schools and our students is what will change the environment.
Ngiribotera Inooro TV, ritwa riakwa ni Karega wa Buthia.